Everyone, good morning. Sabi nga nila, when you know that God is in control of everything, mas makakatulog ka ng maayos. When you realize that God has a sovereign control sa buhay natin, mas papanatag yung kalooban mo. Mas makakatulog ka ng maayos. And walang ibang makakapag-energize sa atin kundi ang Diyos lamang. Maaring yung mga bagay na nangyayari hindi natin gusto, ayaw natin yung mga nangyayari sa buhay mo or sa buhay ko, yung mga sitwasyon or na nangyayari sa atin. But we have to understand that He knows exactly kung ano yung nararapat para sa atin. And even Satan cannot stop what God's purpose in our life. Hindi niya kayang stop yun. And even you trust God and you make a mistake, God always has awesome way to redirect or to correct that mistakes na nagawa natin sa buhay natin. Because God see how pure our heart, kung ano nilalaman ng puso natin. And He knows how willing you are to do something for your life. And sometimes, God requires something for us to do. And most of the time, those requirements, it's very hard to do. And very difficult. But the question is, are you listening? And secondly, are you trusting whatever He said to do? And that is the most important thing. We have to listen. And we have to trust Him. Whatever He wanted in our life to do. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.